Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update a Samsung phone software. So let's get started. Now, in order to update the software, first thing is that you need to be connected to the internet through Wi-Fi, which is going to work the best, or cellular data will work as well. Now, once you're connected to the internet, just simply find the settings app. Here I'm swiping up to get to settings, but you'll find the settings app on your phone. And then once you do that, and you're connected to the internet, just scroll all the way to the bottom as you can, or look for software update. Sometimes it might be under system, but you need to go to software update. And once you go to the software update, this is where all updates happen. First thing we need to do is actually check for our update, which is the first option. So click on check and start checking for our update. And sometimes it takes a couple seconds or so. And if there's an update out, it's going to tell you what that update is, the update version as well. And if you want to complete this update, you just click on proceed. And then it's going to show you that your download, basically the update is going to first download and then install as well. So they'll let you know when you are downloaded. So you can also pull down from the top here. Let's look at this. On this side, we can also see that right here is the update status. We can almost there here. We're going to wait for this update to occur. So here you go. As you can see here, the update. You can also click on that arrow here to see the progress. So we're seeing it updating. And then once it does, it's going to give you the option to update now or later. So we're going to go ahead and update it later. And also the other thing to keep in mind is your phone has enough charge. Sometimes it's best to just keep it plugged in while you're doing the update so it doesn't basically have any issues. So click on update and it will begin updating the phone. Keep in mind when you do the update, your phone is not going to be available to you. So keep that in mind because these updates can sometimes take a little bit. You just have to make sure you give yourself enough time. And as you can see here right now, the phone is updating. You might see it be black for a little bit. That's fine. It has to sometimes reboot itself after the update to make sure that the update can apply. So here, we're going to go ahead and see. As you can see here, it is making the update. And I reached, after a few minutes, it wanted 100%, which got cut off here, but it rebooting itself again. And sometimes it takes a couple of reboots as well when it's applying the update. So don't worry if it's rebooting and doing its thing. It is actually updating the software. You just want to wait until it will say to back to your main screen and say update has been complete. And as you can see here, I just see my carrier logo, but you might see something different in this step. So we will see how the update goes. And it is doing it again one more time. Like I said, sometimes it does a couple of these back and forth to just keep on applying, adding the updates to your phone. And finally, our phone has been updated. Now I'm back to the main screen and I can go log in again to the phone. And now, as I mentioned here, if you did one update, you might need to do it again. So just check to see if there's another update after the update to get to the latest version. So you go to your setting again and then scroll all the way down, look for system or software update, and then check for update again. So we're going to check again, and then you need to make sure you're connected to the internet. Right now, it is, as you can see here, the software update is in progress. I can't do it, but you'll just repeat this step. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.